If you really want to hit £10,000 a month within 12 months, I would highly recommend you to focus on what I call the 7-20-10 focus rule. The 7-20-10 rule is made of 4 steps. Step 1 is to choose your 3 methods. Step 2 is to focus 70% of your time on method 1. Step 3 is to focus 20% of your time on method 2. And step 4 is to focus 10% of your time on method 3. The first step is that you're going to only choose 3 methods to focus from now on. Okay, for example, for me, I decided to focus on membership business, high ticket coaching or consulting, and also on freelancing agencies. Remember, you only need to focus on 3 methods. You need to be strategic. Step 2 is that you're going to choose your first methods. Okay, when you choose this method, you're going to focus 70% of your time. And remember, depending on the method, you need to think about your skills, the investment level, the time or efficiency of the method. Okay, always think about that. For example, in my real estate business, I focus 70% of my time and effort on high ticket clients, things like coaching and consulting. My purpose is to get 2 to 3 high paying clients a month. This is a very specific goal, and I have to do whatever it takes to get these 2 to 3 clients a month. If you want to make more money, manage it wisely like a multi-millionaire, multiply it fast so you can grow, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we launch amazing videos like this. Step 3 is that you're going to choose your second method. So now that you chose your first method and you decided to focus 70% of your time, now you're going to choose your second method and you are going to focus 20% of your time and energy. So I decided to focus 20% of my time on my property business called Full Market Value House Company. As a property consultant, we help private landlords and property entrepreneurs sell their house within 30 days. We help landlords make more money and save on tax by using our membership site. Okay, this is an invitation only platform. And step 4 is that you have to choose your third method. With this method, you are going to focus 10% of your time only. 10% of my time is focusing on my publishing business. This includes writing books to publish on Amazon, and books, ebooks, and also audiobooks. For my books, for example, I write books for entrepreneurs over 40. As I said, that's my market. I help people how to make money, how to manage it wisely like a multimillionaire, and how to multiply it through business and investments. So that's my purpose. Now, think about how are you going to allocate your time according to the 7-20-10 focus rule so you can hit your £10,000 a month target within 12 months. I just showed you my 7-20-10. So what about yours? To hit £10,000 a month, most entrepreneurs over 40 combine 2 to 3 of these methods rather than relying on one. I don't recommend you to focus only on one method to hit £10,000 a month, okay? Make sure you always choose 2 or 3, okay? And then choose the 7-20-10 method. So choose which one of these methods you are going to focus 70% of your time, which one you're going to focus 20% of your time, and which one you're going to focus 10% of your time. You need to be strategic. If you want to make more money, manage it wisely like a multi-millionaire, multiply it fast so you can grow, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we launch amazing videos like this.